Okay, welcome to Csap Ias Academy. I am Ritunjay Sharma. So, welcoming you to the crash course. Amar aji environment or module arambho koribo goi asu. I hope I am audible to all of you. Sobe khuna pai ase muk. ঠিক আছে? Okay. Student attend. Okay, আইছে সবে। Okay. ঠিক আছে আমি let's start. So sorry, আজি Assam geography আমি হেৰি কৰিব গৈ আছোঁ। So Assam geography আমি অলপমান চাই লওঁ। তো this is the map. I think not very clear, but overall আমি যদি চাওঁ as a whole, so let's see, we have another map that's also not very clear, I suppose. But প্ৰথমতে যদি আমি জিঅ'গ্ৰাফি বুলি কওঁ তেতিয়া আমি ফিজিকেল জিঅ'গ্ৰাফিখিনি আমি প্ৰথমতে চাওঁ। তো ফিজিকেল জিঅ'গ্ৰাফিত আমি মেইনলি যিখিনি ফিজিঅ'গ্ৰাফি সেইখিনি প্ৰথমতে চাওঁ। So suppose if we talk about Assam, then let's say this is the boundary of Assam. So এনেকৈ পেলাই আৰু ইয়াতে আমাৰ এইখিনিত আছে মেকিৰ হিলছ, মেকিৰ পাহাৰ, ৰেংমা হিলছ, ফাইন। তাৰপিছত অলপ চাউথৰ ফালে আছে বৰাইল ৰেঞ্জ, and this part is the Barak Valley. This part is the Assam যোনখিনি আমি ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ আমি in terms of Indo-Gangetic plain যোনটো Assam Valley বুলি কওঁ বা otherwise Brahmaputra Valley. Fine. So this part is the Brahmaputra Valley. So we have 3 physiographic divisions. Normally India 5টা physiographic division আছে আমি পঢ়ো. That is the mountains, the Himalayas, then we have the peninsular plateau of India, the plains, the coastal plains and islands. আমাৰ ইয়াতে coastal plains আৰু island নাই. Otherwise we have 2 plains, Brahmaputra plain and Barak plain. হিলছৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত মাউণ্টেইনছৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত আমাৰ বৰাইল ৰেঞ্জ আছে যদি আমি পাৰ্ট অফ হিমালয়াছ বুলি কওঁ বা আদাৰৱাইজ আমাৰ যোনটো মিকিৰ হিলছ দিছ ইজ আ পাৰ্ট অফ দ্য প্লেটু ৰিজন যিখিনি আমাৰ কাৰ্বি হিলছ আছে সেইখিনি পাৰ্ট অফ দ্য প্লেটু ৰিজন হয় চ' উই হেভ প্লেটু উই হেভ হিলছ we have Himalayan hills in the form of North Kasar Hill and Boreal Range. We have plateau, part of the plateau, and we have the plains. Plains of duta plain ase amar the Brahmaputra plain and the Barak plain. Right, so tinta amar physiographic portion ase yate. So Assam is located in the tropical latitude of 24.3 degree north and 28 degree north and eastern longitudes 89.5 degree east and 96.1 degree east. So enake pelai কিমানখিনি হয় আমাৰ 24.3 degree north and 28 degree north and eastern longitudes 89.5 degree east aru 96.1 degree east is the most populous state in northeast. So sobotke beshi populated state junkhon northeast or hikon hol amar Assam. It is surrounded on three sides by hills and mountains. So tinta side ote surrounded by three sides on hills and mountains. Tinta side ote pahar aru heri di ghera hoy ase. The rivers Brahmaputra and Barak in the north and south carve out deep valleys that represent the major part of the state. Assam is surrounded by 7 Indian states and 2 foreign countries. So hatkhon Indian state aru dukhon foreign country di ঘেৰাও হৈ আছে ফিজিক্যাল জিওগ্ৰাফি যেতিয়া আমি চাওঁ দেন টপোগ্ৰাফিখিনি আমি প্ৰথমতে চাওঁ তো টপোগ্ৰাফি ৱাইজ ইট ইজ আনইভেন টপোগ্ৰাফি আচলতে নামটোৱে সেনেকৈ পৰিছে অসম চ' ইট ইজ নট এ প্লেইন এৰিয়া ইটছ আনডুলেটিং এৰিয়া হয় চ' আনইভেন টপোগ্ৰাফি উইথ হিলছ প্লেইনছ এণ্ড ৰিভাৰ্ছ দেন উই হেভ ডাইভাৰ্ছ জিঅ'লজিকেল স্পেক্ট্ৰাম আছে উইথ লাৰ্জ geological spectrum jodi ami saw large sedimentary deposits ase homot the state is located near the hairpin bend of the Himalayas. So Himalayas enake bend hoise enake pla hi pala syntaxial bend boli jenkhini koa jay. So this is the area where Assam is located which created extreme geostatic pressures on land masses. So bhumikampo ja ahe earthquake ahe because of this reason. The land has uneven topography. Uneven topography মানে it is not plain. তোমার থামস আপ তো হয়ে গেছে ওকে so there was অলপমান buffering চলি আছিলে সেইকাৰণে we tried to rectify I hope এটা ঠিকে চলি আছে because there was some lag হৈ আছিলে okay so আমি কি কৈছো that the land mass the land is uneven topography full of hills इनका क्या है Okay, so the land is uneven topography full of hills, plains and rivers. The state is bordering Arunachal Pradesh in the east and in the north, West Bengal in the west, Meghalaya, Bangladesh in the west, Arunachal Pradesh, Bhutan in the north and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura in the south. So that is most of us we know about that physiography part. Assam has a tropical monsoon rainforest climate. Tropical monsoon climate boli kala hobo. Tropical monsoon climate with high humidity. Amar yate humidity bahut beshi ase. We are characterized by this humidity and heavy rainfall. Obviously, we have huge rainfall. Flood is one of the major problem that Assam faces. The state has many hills including Nikir Hill in Karbi Anglong and the North Kasar Hill district. It has many valleys including the Brahmaputra river valley and the Borak river valley. Assam contains 3 of 6 physiographic divisions of India. The northern Himalayas, eastern hills, the northern plains, Brahmaputra plain and the Deccan or the Karbi plateau. So tinta physiographic division ase. Tarpisot the climate is characterized by heavy monsoon downpours. Climate is characterized by heavy monsoon downpours, reducing summer temperatures and affecting foggy nights and mornings in winter. So heavy rainfall hoy obviously ami sobe janu and foggy nights frequent during the afternoons. Spring, that is March to April, and autumn, that is September to October, are usually pleasant with moderate rainfall. So spring or autumn favorable climate hoy Assam karone jot moderate climate thake and temperature. Assam's agriculture usually depends on the southwest monsoon rains. So amar kheti khini southwest monsoon or upor depend kore. Flooding, so every year rivers like Brahmaputra and Barak overflow due to heavy rainfall, causing widespread flooding. The flood is a major issue in Assam since time immemorial, and the rising water levels submerge nearby areas. So kahor area bila ki kori diye submerged kori diye, washing away houses, livestock, damaging infrastructure such as bridges, railway tracks and roads, leading to communication breakdowns in many regions. So this natural disaster also results in numerous fatalities throughout the state. So obviously huge amount of human loss, animal loss, plant loss, resource amar bhalekhini waste hoi jay, agriculture waste hoy because of this flood. And flood kihor karone jodi hoy ami hetu kau tetia hole we can say that almost 80%, physiographically speaking, it's a hilly area. We are surrounded by hills, and only 20% is plain area. So maximum hills ase or 20% plains ase, aru he karone physiographically jodi ami kau borokhun ifale besike hoy, aru he borokhun to mane jehatuke plain area kom ase, so he karone he borokhun to he pani to support koribo nuare, aru he support koribo nuara karone ki hoy yate that the amount of water overflows from that from that rivers. So this is what is the issue. That's why we are getting a lot of flood. Fine. So this area is having amount of higher rainfall. Ekhini area basic rainfall hoy, and sobotke besi mane flood ahe etu portionot, aru baki etu side jekhini olop light blue color ase olopan kom hoy. No doubt everywhere during flood season every part of Assam gets flooded, but comparatively jodi ami kau tetia hole this area is bit more flooded. That is the area shown by dark blue color. Assam has petroleum, natural gas, coal, limestone and other minor minerals such as magnetic quartzites, kaolin, sillimanites, clay and feldspar. So these are important minerals junblak ami utilize koru for industrial. Petroleum to ami sobe janu, natural gas ase amar, koila ase, limestone ase which is a very important mineral kobo gole. Cement industry karone limestone lage, he karone Bokajan cement factories into yate set up kora goise. Other minor minerals like magnetite, quartzite use hoy, industrial kaolin use hoy, blast furnace bilak banabo karone kaolin use hoy. Sillimanites are highly important industrially. Clay and feldspar is also quite important. A small quantity of iron ore is available in bahut besi nai kintu, and iron ore is available in western districts. Discovered in 1899. All the major petroleum gas reserves are in the upper parts, upper Assamot ase mostly. So jekhini amar petroleum or gas reservoir jekhini janake shale gas layers, hey layers bilak amar mostly upper Assam phale besike ase. The region is prone to natural disasters like annual floods and frequent mild earthquakes. So kalu ami janu eta earthquake ahisile. So natural disasters amar bahut ase, janake mainly to natural disaster flood ase, earthquake ase, and earthquake, flood and earthquake related amar landslide hoy, So these are some of the important natural disasters which are there in Assam. Strong earthquakes were recorded in 1869, 1897 and 1950. So Assam kobo gole ekhini area jekhini show kora goise mapot, mostly in the Karbi hills, Karbi and Rengma hills, North Kachar hills, hey portion khinit amar Diba Hasar, hekhini area amar sobotke besi mineral resource khini ate concentrated hoy ase. Whatever mineral resources we have, that is mostly concentrated in this part of Assam. So in terms of mineral resource, this is quite important. Aru eta dawar amar contradictory herit ase je jot mineral resources tate ako rain forest ase, tate ako amar jungle janeke dihing patkai rain forest janeke ami kom, hekhini sobotke besi just give me 1 second. sorry আজি বহুতবাৰ ব্ৰেক হৈ আছে ক্লাছটো because of this অলপমান হেৰি হৈ আছে আমাৰ ৰাউটাৰ অলপমান হেৰি কৰি আছে vibrations network issue actually. So anyway, no problem, let's go ahead. Coming to human geography part, human geography amar mainly population kini ami saw. So population jodi ami saw, we have according to 2011 census, the total population of Assam was nearly about 3 crores 11 lakhs, so this comma to beleke lagise almost like 3 crores 11 lakhs 69,272. So the total population of state has increased from 2,66,000 opera go play 3,11,000 man loke ho gise in the last 10 years with a growth rate of 16.93%. Of all the districts, amar Gwalpara, Dhubri, Gwalpara, tarpor Borpeta, Morigao, Nagaon aru Hailakandi recorded growth rates ranging from 20% to 24% during the last decade. So যোৱা 10 বছৰত ধুবৰী, গোৱালপাৰা, বৰপেটা, মৰিগাঁও আৰু নগাঁৱত almost 20 to 24% increase দেখা গৈছে, which is a huge increase actually from population point of view. Whereas Shivasagar, Jorhat registered around 9% population growth. So this is a huge difference in terms of the upper Assam districts of Jorhat, Shivasagar and Dhubri, Golpara, Barpeta, Morigao and Nagaon. And in 2011, the literacy rate in the state was 73.18%. The male literacy rate was 78. Literacy rate amar kiba asile average 73.18%. Tare male literacy rate asile 78.81% and female literacy rate was 67.27%. In 2001, the census has recorded literacy in Assam as 63.3%. So our literacy rate bahise 11 our 21 census to ita aha nai. So our 2001 census bahise 2001 census our 2001 census 63.3% asile aru 2011 census go pela hetu 73.18% ho gise. So bhal kotha literacy rate jodi bahise. Male literacy rate was 71% tarpisot in 2001 aru hetu go pela 2011 at 78.81% ho gise. Female literacy rate in 2011 was 54.6%, which was quite low, and it increased to 67.27% in 2011. When the growth of population in Assam has increased since the middle decades of the 20th century, middle decades of increase basically is population grew from 3.29. Assam migration at the downward karan juntu karone Assam population increase hoise. The population grew from 3.29 million in 1901. So 1901, if you can see, so low, it was 3.29 million asile, and 30 lakh man population asile gote Assam population, and to 6.70 million mane 60 lakh man hoi gol in 1941. It increased to 14.63 million mane 1 koti 40 lakh man hoi gol 1971. tar pisot go pelai 91 go pelai ako 20 বছৰ পিছত 2 কোটি 24 lakh man hoi gol 22.41 million hoi gol. The growth in the western districts and southern districts was high, primarily due to influx of large number of illegal immigrants. So western districts janeke amar south salmar amar Dhubri tar pisot Borpeta ekhini amar district ase Gwalpara, and the southern districts like ekhini Barak Valley ekhini Karimganj Hailakandi hekhinit amar bahut beshi bahise population because of, as you have noticed, influx of large number of illegal immigrants, especially from East Pakistan, now Bangladesh. So tetia pray immigration hoy ase unabated, and that is one of the reasons why it got inflated. যিখিনি কানেক্টিভিটি সেইখিনি okay. So yes, please. So the economic development in Assam. So transport and communication has been a bottleneck, has been a hindrance so far. And the Brahmaputra, for example, long has been a major barrier in integrating the transportation networks lying north and south of the river. The situation improved, however, with the opening of several rail and road bridges, since the late 20th century. So, as we have just said, recently many bridges and rail and road bridges have been constructed. So, that is why now things have slowly improved. Horaighat Bridge 1962 construct kora hoisile, was the first bridge across the Brahmaputra river. Kolia Bhumra Bridge was constructed in 1987. Naranarayan Setu in 1998, and the other bridges have been constructed on the Brahmaputra since then. With Assam's abundance of waterways, inland water transport is important. The Brahmaputra and Barak or Surma rivers are the state's primary water channels. Numerous passenger ferries operate between various points on the Brahmaputra, and freight service is offered between Guwahati and Kolkata and West Bengal. There is considerable air traffic between Assam and Kolkata. Among the towns with air service are Guwahati, Dibrugarh, Jorhat, Tezpur and Silchar. So, Guwahati, Dibrugarh, Jorhat, Tezpur and Silchar, these are the major areas which has the air connectivity. The Guwahati airport offers international service. So, we know that Guwahati airport is called as the international airport. So, our GS Foundation batches are coming soon. So, you can join our GS Foundation batch for our comprehensive studies. So, previous year's questions, let us look at them. Which of the following resources are found in Assam? Coal, liquefied natural gas, limestone, uranium. So, coal to ase, liquefied natural gas to ase, limestone to ase, uranium we don't have much in Assam. So, what will be the correct answer? It's going to be A, that is 1, 2 and 3. So, uranium is not much found. So, Assam has significant reserve of coal, liquefied natural gas and limestone, but there is a lack of uranium. Which region in Assam is known for its limestone quarrying? Mikir Hills. So already I पढ़ी आइसु Jorhat, Mikir Hill, Barak Valley, Majuli. So Mikir Hills. Limestone is quarried in the Mikir Hills, which are part of Karbi Anglong, Assam. Consider the following statements regarding bridges across the Brahmaputra in Assam. The Kharaghat Bridge was opened in 1962. Kolia Bhumra Bridge was opened before the Kharaghat Bridge, and Narayana Hetu was constructed after 1990. So only one is correct, 2 and 3 are incorrect. So the answer is going to be 1 and 3 are correct. Narayana Hetu was constructed after 1990. Okay, fine. So the answer is going to be B. Kolia Bhumra Bridge in 1987 after Kharaghat, and Narayana Hetu in 1998. What is the scientific name of Holong, the state tree of Assam? Shoria robusta, Dipterocarpus retusus, or Tectona grandis, or Cedrus deodara? So the answer is B. The scientific name of Holong is Dipterocarpus retusus, and it is a dominant species in the tropical evergreen forest of northeast India. Right? So that's it for today for our class on Assam geography. I hope you understood. Thank you all for watching, and tomorrow we'll meet with Assam environment. Right? Thank you all.